Today we're featuring a 2016 Nissan Frontier SV 4x4. It's cayenne red in color. It's got 19,000 miles on it. It's a clean Carfax. Alright, we'll go ahead and take the walk around. Start over here on the driver's side. Everything's in really good shape. Driver's side, no problems at all. Small little scratch right here, real minor. Just gonna point that out to you. Okay, nice chrome bumper. Got the tow hitch and the trailer plug-in. Alright, it's got the truck bed liner back there. Bed liner's in good shape. And got the nice chrome tip on the exhaust. Make our way down the passenger side of the vehicle. Everything's in really good shape. No problems at all over here. I'll go ahead and take a look on the inside of the vehicle. Just point this out to you real quick. Just caught my few scratches here on the hood. I'm trying to angle that just right. A few scratches there. Real minor. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Gray door panel, power locks, power windows, gray cloth. Driver's seat looks good. No problems there. Go ahead and take a look at your passenger seat. No problems there. Go ahead and show you it does come with 2 key fobs. Alright, and what's really cool about these seats, you got the gray trim, you got this nice kind of mesh gray insert. Alright, really cool material. It is an automatic. Okay, it is a 4-wheel drive. There's your climate control center there. AM, FM, CD. Does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Power side mirrors and hill descent control. Go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. It's got 19,134 miles on it. And I'll go ahead and show you the entertainment system and the control system again. Here's your AM FM stereo. Alright, a little bit easier to see with the lights on it. There's your climate control center, and then once again your 4-wheel drive. There, you can see that a little bit better now that I've got the lights on it. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. Carpet back here is in good shape. Alright, seats are in good shape as well. Alright, let's go ahead and give you the driver's eye view, kind of the layout of the dash. We can see this Frontier is laid out really nice. Okay, and once again it's a 16 with 19,000 miles on it. Go ahead and walk around and show you the bed of the truck. Bed of the truck looks good. Check out your passenger seat. From this angle, everything's in great shape. And check out your wheels and tires. All right, 16-inch alloys. Tires are still in good shape. Plenty of tread there. All right, once again, it's a 2016 Nissan Frontier SV 4x4, 19,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.